how to change display resolution on Windows 10 PC. And okay guys, here in your screen, go to Start menu on the lower left side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to Settings. In Settings, go to System. In System, go to Display. Here in Display, you can see here the display resolution. And the display resolution is set into 1440 by 900. So this is recommended. So you can change this by click the arrow down button on the right side of this display resolution and you can see the option. So for my example, I set into 1280 by 720. And okay, keep these display settings, reverting to previous display settings in this second. So you can click the keep, change or revert. So okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the display resolution on Windows 10 PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.